So I just want to come and ask you how we came up with the workshop and why we do it and how it all works.
Okay, so last year we looked at all the areas that we had in the college and which areas were working really well and which ones had some development, and we thought the garage was a perfect space to develop. And with the agreement of the students and staff, we decided that we would transform what was literally a colourful garage into hopefully a serene space for work experience. And it evolved that we would create a shop. We already were providing creative enterprise opportunities as part of our curriculum, and lots of the students decided to create products that we could then quality assure and then sell to the community in our shop. So it's allowing the students to go from the concept to product to selling and then reflecting, so the whole journey of enterprise, and then to be involved in work experience here on a very tailored basis so that everyone will get an opportunity to work here, and to take the concept of what it would be like to run a small business, seeing what we have to do every day. We've got our daily taking sheets so we can cash up. We're cash only at the moment. How we manage cash. Later, when we're sorting out with cards, what we would do with the cards, payments and bank accounts. So lots of life skills opportunities, lots of work experience, communication and interaction with the community. Lots of opportunities.
Brilliant, thank you, Claire. Hello, so can you tell me what you like about the workshop and why it's good for you?
For class lesson, I couldn't make jewellery bookmarks, but using Claire showing me the creative skills, I've learned how to make jewellery, bookmarks, anything creative, so it's really good work experience. But it's also really good work experience just working in the shop, so I could be doing that when I'm left pathway, so...
Excellent, thank you very much.
No problem.
We have a look round.